Hey there, I am HVAC Repair Guy. I have spent over 17 years in the trade working as an installer, service technician, and contractor, building on my background as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. Today we are looking at two solid two-stage heat pump options for your home, the Comfortmaker Ion 18 Model C5H8T and the Weatherking WP15AY. Both of these are reputable units, but they hit different price points and offer distinct features that will directly impact your winter heating comfort, utility bills, and long-term peace of mind. Starting with build quality and cabinet construction, both of these units are built right here in the USA. The Weatherking WP15AY uses a traditional louvered coil cabinet, which gives good protection against hail, flying yard debris, and kids playing in the yard. It also comes factory-equipped with a compressor sound blanket to dampen operating noise. The Comfortmaker Ion 18 skips the full louvered metal jacket in favor of a heavy wire grill with protective corner posts. While some guys prefer louvers for protection, wire grills allow for easier coil cleaning during annual maintenance. The Ion 18 also includes a heavy compressor sound blanket straight from the factory. Moving on to heating and cooling performance, the Comfortmaker Ion 18 comes out ahead on heating efficiency with an HSPF rating of 8.5. The Weatherking WP15AY sits at an 8.1 HSPF. That HSPF rating measures heating seasonal performance, meaning the higher the number, the more heat output you get per dollar of electricity consumed during winter operation. A rating of 8.5 on the Ion 18 means lower electric bills in cold weather and stronger heating performance when outdoor temperatures drop. Since these are heat pumps, they handle summer air conditioning as well, and both provide excellent two-stage cooling to pull humidity out of your home during sticky summer months. Under the hood, both systems utilize a two-speed compressor, but their outdoor fan motors differ. The Weatherking WP15AE uses a two-speed condenser fan motor to match its two compressor stages. The Comfortmaker Ion 18 pairs its two-speed compressor with a true variable speed condenser fan motor. Having two compressor speeds means neither system has to blast at 100% capacity on mild days, which eliminates short cycling, keeps indoor temperatures far more consistent, and extends equipment life by reducing hard compressor starts. The variable speed fan on the Ion 18 takes that a step further, subtly adjusting fan speed for optimal coil airflow, maximum electrical efficiency, and smoother operation across fluctuating ambient temperatures. Noise level is another area where you will notice a difference on your back patio. The Comfortmaker Ion 18 operates as low as 65 to 67 decibels. To give you a real-world frame of reference, 65 decibels sounds like normal conversation or a quiet dishwasher running in the next room. On the other hand, the Weatherking WP15AY registers at 73 decibels. That level is roughly equivalent to a standard vacuum cleaner. While 73 decibels is reasonable for a heat pump, 65 decibels is noticeably quieter if the outdoor unit sits right outside a bedroom window. Looking at who actually builds these machines, Comfortmaker is manufactured in the USA by International Comfort Products, a subsidiary of Carrier Global Corporation. Weatherking is also manufactured in the USA by Rheem Manufacturing Company as their value tier brand line. Both parent companies are industry giants with long manufacturing histories. In terms of real-world installed pricing, market ranges for a complete residential installation show the Weatherking WP15AY coming in between $4,500 and $7,500 depending on system size, ductwork modifications, and local contractor rates. The Comfortmaker Ion 18 generally runs higher, usually landing between $5,500 and $9,500 installed. Warranty coverage is where these two part ways significantly. Both manufacturers provide a standard 10-year parts warranty and a 10-year compressor warranty. However, Comfortmaker includes a 10-year unit replacement warranty on the Ion 18. That means if the compressor fails within the first 10 years, Comfortmaker replaces the entire outdoor condenser unit rather than just handing you a replacement compressor. Weatherking does not include a unit replacement warranty on the WP15AY. My honest recommendation comes down to overall value and long-term protection. The Weatherking WP15AY is a solid budget-friendly option if upfront price is your primary concern. But the clear winner here is the Comfortmaker Ion 18. The Ion 18 gives you higher winter heating efficiency, a variable speed fan motor, quieter daily operation, and most importantly, a complete 10-year unit replacement warranty that offers unmatched protection for your investment.